All right, let me show you a couple tips on installation. When I'm installing, whether I'm doing a main pad plus a mini, or even infinite minis, I always install and start the install with the second strap down. Once I get that strap clipped together, I don't need to tighten it too hard. I let it sit, and that leaves the pad in the correct height that I'm looking for, so that I can go ahead and strap all the other straps together. Once I get them all clipped, then I'll take this piece of the strap and tighten it to place. Now what'll happen is you'll end up tightening it. You'll have this little loose piece, and then you're just gonna take the strap clip and push it along the strap to give you that nice clean edge. And most important when you're installing is aligning the system to the piling, and that all depends on your boat and where you are. But usually what we recommend is going at high tide, at super high tide, and aligning the top of the pad with the rub rail on your boat, or wherever your boat is gonna make contact with the piling, just to make sure that at high tide, you're protected. And then all you have to do is add as many pads as the tidal variance in your area, and you should be good.